Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to talk about the 10 best tips and tricks to fix 5G not working on iPhone in iOS 16 or later. At best, 5G leaves very little room for complaint. Whether it's the incredible download speed, much improved stability, or the ability to let you perform power-intensive tasks faster, it's got you fully covered. But that doesn't mean the latest iteration of cellular is infallible. That's the reason why I thought it would be better to talk about the best tips to fix 5G not working on iPhone. After all, so many users complain about it. That said, let's jump right in. Before getting started, make sure you have subscribed our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any update from 360 Reader. First off, I would recommend you to check out the availability. Bear in mind that 5G is yet to roll out everywhere, thus make sure that it is available in your city or region. Also ensure that your carrier supports 5G. Then I would recommend you to check out whether or not your device is compatible with 5G. Though it's not a direct solution per se, be sure your iPhone supports 5G. Do know that only iPhone 12 or later is compatible with 5G, so make sure that your device is on board. Then I would recommend you to ensure that 5G is enabled on your iPhone. While customizing the settings, you may have mistakenly disabled 5G on your iPhone and forgot to turn it on. Therefore, make sure that 5G is enabled on your iOS device. To do so, go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Cellular. After that, tap on Cellular Data Options, then tap on Voice and Data. Now you can choose 5G on or 5G auto. Next up, I would suggest you to disable low data mode on your iPhone. iOS comes with a feature called low data mode to let you reduce cellular data usage by pausing the background task and automatic updates. While this is pretty handy feature, it can severely impact your user experience. Hence, be sure to turn it off. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Cellular. After that, tap on Cellular Data Options and then tap on Data Mode. Now, if you want to get the most out of 5G, select Allow More Data on 5G. However, if you want to use 5G without letting it gobble up a lot of data, go for the standard option. Next up, I would suggest you to turn on off airplane mode. Airplane mode excels in fixing random network-related issues. Therefore, we should bring it into action as well. Simply swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen or swipe up from the bottom of the screen to bring up the control center and then tap on the airplane mode icon. After waiting for a few seconds, tap on the airplane mode icon to turn it off. Now check out if 5G has started to work normally. After that, I would suggest you to turn off on cellular on your iPhone. Another pretty nifty but reliable solution that you should try to resolve the 5G not working problem on your iPhone is to turn off on cellular. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on Cellular. Then after, toggle off the switch next to Cellular. Now restart your iPhone. Once the device has restarted, turn on Cellular. Next up, I would suggest you to update the carrier settings. Carrier providers often release updates to fix issues and even improve performance. Thus, check if there is any updates available. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. After that, tap on About, and then check if there is any carrier setting update available. If the update is available, install it. After that, I would suggest you to force restart your iPhone. Force restart is the sort of solution that you should never fail to try when dealing with a common problem like this one. To do so, press and quickly release the volume up button, then press and quickly release the volume down button. After that, you have to hold down the side button or the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. Next up, I would suggest you to reset the network settings. This is probably the best bet when you are entangled in a network-related problem. Therefore, it would be wise to give this solution a chance as well. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. And finally, I would suggest you to update the software on your iPhone. If 5G continues to struggle on your iPhone, update the software. If the issue is due to a bug, the software update may help you fix it. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone, then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update and finally download and install the latest iteration of iOS as usual. That's all there is to it. So these are the best tips and tricks to fix 5G not working issue on iOS. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the problem. If you have found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.